Hello everyone, this video is about a RO membrane which I have purchased it online and the brand name is Konvio Neer. Let me open the RO membrane and show it to you. So this is the membrane and this membrane Konvio Neer can support up to 3000 ppm, that is the TDS, and the water flow rate is 80 GPD. As you can see, it is mentioned in the label, and the model number is, this is the model number. And just have a look how the RO membrane is looking. Before I fix this in a housing, in the membrane housing, let me check the TDS of my bore water and show it to you. So this is the bore water and you can see, so the TDS level is around 1007 ppm in the bore water. Let's fix this in the housing, membrane housing. You have to insert this way as I am showing in this video. Okay, so the rubber part should go down and you have to push it inside like this. Make sure that this is entirely pressed down and then tight it with the proper equipment. So this is now fixed in the RO filter. Let me show you the output now. This is the filtered water. You can see the water flow here. So let me test with the TDS meter and show it to you. This is the value. So if you remember, we saw it was 1007 ppm and now it has brought down up to 128 ppm, which is very good. 128 ppm is drinkable. So I would recommend, if you have high TDS at your home, you can definitely purchase this and use it. And the water flow rate is a little slow. So if you are planning to purchase for your home, you can purchase 100 GPD instead of 80. So the water flow might increase a little. And if you want to purchase this membrane, please find the link in the description. Thanks for watching my video.